Okay guys, ever wanted a stylish way to display multiple collections in a single row without looking like a boring product grid? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely premium. Today we're adding this collections list section to your store, letting you showcase products or collections in a clean row with a nice zoom effect on hover. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Collections List number 6. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchased sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type Collection, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its settings open up on the left side. But first, let's add images to all these cards, one by one, whichever products I want to showcase here. After adding the images, click on the section background, and now let's customize the section itself. Let's change the heading color to black. Let's scroll down a bit more. Actually, I'm looking for the background color option here. There it is. Let's change this to white to match my store's color scheme. Let's change the font style to Poppins, as always, and let's update the description below the heading too, changing it to Subscribe for more updates. Now let's click on any card, and let's update its text, whatever fits your own product. And here's the most important option, the reason we're really adding this section, adding links behind these images to products or collections. I'll add a collection here for now, but you can add a product or even an external link if you prefer. You'll customize each card the same way, one by one, and once you're done, hit Save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.